Paul Nichols. I'm a promoter primarily focusing on the LGBTQ plus community, and Heart is one of my first big nightclub ventures. The one thing I love about a void sound system is literally how it fills the void. It doesn't compete with people trying to interact. You don't need to scream over it. You can almost talk over it. But when you stop talking, it comes back in and encompasses you. I've never experienced a system that does it quite the way Void does it. Void, I feel like, just kind of permeates the whole room and really becomes part of the experience. And it kind of is a very symbiotic relationship with the club and the people in the club and the sound system. I always said you want to make people feel like they're dancing inside the middle of the disco ball. This sound system helps create that vibe.